Rich with eXp Realty, and I'm thrilled to bring you my newest listing here in the Sierra Ridge community in Parker, Colorado. Welcome to 15135 Vienna Circle. This amazing corner lot home will not disappoint. Let's go inside and take a look. Enjoy working or learning from home in this gorgeous, dedicated main floor office with French doors. This office faces east, so it will welcome the morning sunshine. The open floor plan on the main floor is perfect for entertaining in your beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite counters. The second floor comes complete with a primary suite with 5-piece master bath and walk-in closet, and 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Continue your entertaining here in your fully fenced backyard, complete with patio, and don't forget to bring your green thumb for these beautiful garden boxes. The Sierra Ridge community is a dream with many nature trails, an outdoor pool on these hot summer days, a community clubhouse, year-round events, and so much more. So call me today and let's set your showing. And don't forget, wherever you want to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call me first, 720-878-6236.